Butchering the side of my truck trying to get that on there. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today it's kind of a sad day, kind of an exciting day, a mix of both. Today we're gonna throw the deck in that girl. She's a little dirty, so I think we might wash her, give her a quick rinse first, and then, I don't know, I've never threw the deck in by myself, but we're gonna give her a whirl, so should be interesting. Well guys, truck's clean-ish, not too bad, a lot better than it was. So now we're gonna go grab the mounting hardware and head on down to the deck.
That day, for no particular reason, I decided to go for a little run.
We're parked, so we're gonna see how this is gonna go. Ooh, that's quite high to lift it by myself. Well, for this far, maybe get the 40 extra pound of wet snow off it would help. Of course, like a dummy, didn't think of a shovel or nothing like that, did I? We've hit a bit of a delay, I guess I would call it. Trying to lift it up and on, but the problem is when, oh yeah, over there, when I lift up back in here, it's right against the wheel wells inside. So yeah, when I lift in the back, up and in, then the front feet are at the wheel wells and I can't lift up on the back and up and over the wheel wells at the exact same time. She's a no-go. I'm gonna end up butchering the side of my truck trying to get that on there. So my buddy Hagen's gonna be super nice and stop by on his way home to work to help me out, and yeah, be a lot easier because this ain't working. So we'll wait for reinforcement.
Stop.
Look at that, reinforcement has arrived.
Yeah.
All safe too. Yeah, fuck, you're
I
committed.
should go get my hard hat.
Yeah. Walk to the truck. The Dodge is coming.
You really don't want your sled deck to get stolen.
No, it's secret down here, buddy. So one of us will just have to be in the box and one of us will have to be back here.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Oh. You want the inside, okay.
Scaling it. A little easier with two people. But at least it's in the box. Okay. Ugh, I put that skinny. Christ. Okay, give me a minute.
Can you get out?
Oh, should be on Jenny Craig. Okay.
I thought you were on a diet, Jamie. Come on.
Ooh. Put her down. Oh. There.
Nice.
That was a lot easier than by myself.
Yeah, I tried to play my sled deck in once by myself and never again.
Oh, I already
We usually use the tractor.
Well, Yeah, sometimes I'll have the skid steer, but I don't have the skid steer.
Or just don't take your sled deck out, but
Oh, where am I supposed to put my bike, man?
on top of your sled deck.
That. Well, sled deck is now in, and yeah, I think we're calling it. We'll do the rest tomorrow. So we'll see you in the AM. Good morning, guys. Today we're gonna finish putting or mounting the sled deck in the truck. And yeah, a lot easier now that we have some light, that's for sure. So we're gonna get the hardware and get at it. Who else just loves crawling under your sled deck when everything's wet? Because I sure do. I love it. Oh, so much fun and exciting. We got all the turnbuckles done, and I got my safety glasses on, and now we're gonna crawl underneath there, knock all the dirt on my face, and plug the deck in. Oh. See if it works for you. Oh. Well, guys, deck is officially installed. It's mounted, wired, whole shebang. She's in, she's good to go. So now for, put that straight, eh? So now for the exciting part. Kind of had an unexpected spur of the moment purchase. Super excited about it. Can't wait. I think it'll be awesome for the channel here all winter long. And now that we got this deck installed, we can go grab it. So yeah. Do a lot of thinking, not a whole lot of action in this, but yeah, gonna go grab that thing. Super excited. Hope you guys will be as stoked as I am for it, and gonna have that video to you in a couple days. So can't wait. Make sure to look for it, and remember, don't forget to like, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. Well, guys, we're just pulling back into the yard. Got the new sled on the deck. Super stoked, and I cannot wait for you guys to see it.